Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am the light. You are the lighthouse. You are the standard. You are the safety. You are the torch that's leading so many people out of their dark wilderness. You are the light of safety, the light of example, the light of you don't talk about it, you be about it. You're the reflection of your walk and of your talk. Therefore, people are finding that, wow, change is possible. If I could do what Cancer does, if I take their advice, if I go by their lead of example, breakthrough in life becomes so much easier, and I find safety, and I find my way out of this harsh season. It's a lot of responsibility, but it's naturally within you to do it. You developed your light, so keep on going. You're in the right place, right time. Have so many people watching your moves. Make sure that you go to get your best. Work your hardest so you can become and transform to your best, so others people can transcend and believe like, wow, they can do that, I can do it too. Because you deserve it also. I always have hope no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light, which is a great superpower. Positive energy brings positive blessings. Like the rules of the universe, our bodies are magnets, so only attract the things that you want all the time, no matter what is surrounding you at the moment. I open my heart to others and to God, and I'm spiritually strong. I'll draw light to me, positive energy, and I shine, baby, shine with all my being for every other being to be able to enjoy and find safety in. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.